Hi guys, Kale here. Pools are extremely popular in our area because, let's face it, the climate is really hot here. But something I want you to understand about a pool is that you don't get a dollar for dollar return when you do put a pool into a home. Yes, pool homes will sell for more money, but on average that may only be $20,000 or maybe $25,000 more than an equivalent home without a pool. So let's say that another way. If you spend $50,000 on your dream pool in your backyard, you won't be able to sell the home typically for $50,000 more than your neighbor just because they don't have a pool. Again, maybe $20,000 to $25,000 is the mark. So I think it's a great idea to get a pool if you fully understand that it's an investment in your family, not so much in the house. Other things you might want to consider are monthly costs. Your electricity bill is going to go up to pay for those pumps, or you may have to install a large solar system to run your whole house after having a pool. Additionally, you may have increased insurance premiums just because you have a pool at the home now. Thanks so much for watching today. For more information, shoot me a text or send me an email.